Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Blink Outdoor 4 battery powered security light. This is the add-on version. You have to have a sync module already. So if you've already got some Blink cameras and you've got a sync module, this one's going to work. It's not a standalone camera. The Blink talks to the sync module, and then this is how it talks to the internet, and then you're going to talk to it through this. So this connects to your internet, and then this connects to the lights. So this is everything that comes in the box. You get two AA batteries. I really like that they're the Energizer Ultimate Lithium. These will last 2 years in this camera. You get the mount, 2 wood screws to mount it to. This bracket's like a little screwdriver, but it also will put you like a 90-degree, if you put it here, you're gonna snap the camera onto here, but you could snap this on first and then snap the camera onto there to give you just a little bit of a different angle. And again, that pivots around. But this is battery powered. You don't need to plug it in. We're going to put the batteries in. We're going to unscrew and take this door off. Okay, so once we've got the door off, there is a QR code. You're going to scan that with the app. You're going to get the Blink app and you're going to hit add camera and you'll be scanning that. There is a reset button here if you ever need to reset it. But let's put the batteries in. So the first one goes in negative. Watch the polarity. And negative to positive. Now don't put the cover on yet because you need to, let's set it up first. Okay, so in your Blink app, add the little plus button right there. And now we want to add a wireless camera right there. So you'll scan that with the camera and then you're going to say if you have more than one sync module, which one do you want to add it to? Now it says it's looking for your camera. Keep your phone relatively close. Now again, we really don't see much going on the camera, but we know it has power. Now, it took about 2 minutes to find it, and now it's updating the firmware, and this could take about 5 to 10 minutes. And again, we really don't see anything. There's no lights flashing. So just keep the batteries plugged in. You may have to scan that again, so don't put the back on yet. All right, while it's adding this firmware, that's about 2 3/4 on each way. Thickness wise, you're about 1.5 inches. And again, the mount, it's going to stick out about 1 inch. The screw holes are about 1.5 inches apart and the mount's about 2 inches. Okay, there it added the camera. It gives it a really long name. We want to change that. Click the 3 little dots. Let's click on device settings. So we named it Blink 4. Now let's refresh the thumbnail. So when you've got it where you want, and you can change this anytime, click refresh thumbnail. It's going to take a picture, and now that'll be the picture that it shows. And sure enough, there's the picture. Okay, now it's time. Go ahead and put this, make sure you line up that with that USB-C port right there. Again, use this. This is like a screwdriver. You're going to turn this. This is going to keep it watertight. Got to push. Gets a little hard, but you want this to go down until it stops. Now, make sure you can see the word Blink. That's how you know you've got it orientated right. You can read the Blink. Wipe the camera off. Make sure it's clean. And now you're going to simply mount this, and then you snap this on there. And sometimes it can be a little hard. Snapping that on there. Now it's mounted. Now I can mount this and go whichever angle I need to go. It's going to sense motion now. It's going to start the video camera. I can take pictures. It has a speaker on it. I can listen and I can talk through it. And if I need to get a different angle, make sure the flat side, push the flat side onto it. And now I can put the camera. So say if I just need a little bit different angle, I can mount it. Now it kind of puts it at a 90-degree. So just some different angles you can come up with. Again, this does serve like a little tool also. I hope this unboxing and how to install video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.